The Elder is the daughter of the Vault Dweller and the mother of the Chosen One, the main character of the game. She was born in 2188 and raised in Arroyo. In her youth, she underwent a series of physical and scientific trainings to prepare for the role of the village elder. After passing the mystical test in the Temple of Trials, she became the leader of Arroyo. In the game, the village elder sends the Chosen One on a mission to find the Garden of Eden creation kit, which is supposed to help rebuild and develop the village when Northern California was hit by the worst drought in many years. The village elder is portrayed as a wise and respected leader who rules the village with a firm hand. She has tattoos on her neck and a clouded eye. In her early years, the Vault Dweller and his spouse Pat led the village and tribe, which grew and became strong thanks to their help. In a later stage of the game, the Elder may help the Chosen One in the fight against the Enclave.